Here, exclusive design meets tradition. Every piece of furniture you see come to life doesn't follow a mass production line. It follows the rhythm of the hands of Mexican artisans. We don't just sculpt wood, we shape stories. From the selection of the finest timber to the final assembly, every natural imperfection becomes an unrepeatable work of art. It is in the union of forged metal and solid wood where the magic of Jorge Kurczyn is born. A perfect balance between strength, elegance, and a legendary craft that refuses to disappear. If you value handmade art and design with a soul, subscribe to learn more about our process.